Today I'm reviewing Chime to tell you everything you need to know in 2026 and whether this digital-first bank is worth your time and money. Chime is a mobile-based banking platform that partners with FDIC-insured banks to offer fee-free checking, savings accounts, and tools designed for modern banking without branches. One of its biggest draws is no monthly maintenance fees, overdraft fees, or minimum balance requirements, and it gives you access to more than 60,000 fee-free ATMs across its network, while helping you avoid surprise charges common at traditional banks. Chime also offers benefits like early direct deposit, letting users get paychecks up to 2 days early, and automatic savings tools that round up purchases or set aside money in your savings account. For those looking to build credit, Chime provides a secured credit card with no annual fee and credit-building features that report to major credit bureaus. The mobile app is highly rated for its clean design, instant transaction alerts, and ease of use, making money management simple on the go. However, there are some important limitations to consider in 2026. Chime has no physical branches, so all support is online or by phone, and many users report challenges with customer service or delayed issue resolution. Cash deposits can be tricky or costly since they must be made through third-party retailers, and Chime doesn't offer traditional bank products like loans, mortgages, joint accounts, or certificates of deposit. Some users on Reddit also voice frustrations about glitchy features, account holds, or limited check handling options, which can be major drawbacks if you rely on comprehensive banking services. In the end, Chime is legitimate and FDIC insured through partner banks, and it's an excellent choice if you want low-cost, simple digital banking with helpful tools like early direct deposit and SpotMe overdraft protection. But if you need full-service banking, in-person support, or advanced financial products, you may want to look at other banks alongside Chime.